How to unbox and set up the HP LaserJet Pro P1106 Plus and P1108 Plus printer series. First, remove any documents and all cables from the box. Take the printer and foam supports out of the box. Remove the foam supports from around the printer, and then take the printer out of the plastic bag. Remove all of the orange shipping tape and protective plastic. Extend the output tray and then flip the instruction sheet out. Lift the toner cartridge access door and remove the styrofoam brace. Then slide out the toner cartridge. Remove the orange plastic and shipping paper. Grasp both sides of the cartridge and gently rock the cartridge 5 or 6 times to distribute the toner evenly inside of it. Remove the orange shipping lock from the end of the cartridge. Pull the orange tab to remove the protective film from the cartridge. Insert the cartridge into the printer, and then close the cartridge access door. Open the input tray door and remove the orange tape. Slide out the paper guides and load the paper into the input tray. Then adjust the guide so it touches the edge of the paper. Extend the paper output tray. Plug in the printer and press the power button to turn it on. On your computer or mobile device, go to 123.hp.com and follow the prompts to download the printer software. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.